Hey guys, Justin Johnson here again, MarineMax in Clearwater, standing in our beautiful showroom. Today we have a 2022 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. This one's going to be powered by the 200 Mercury. This boat will fly. You'll notice a really big swim platform area for easy boarding, as well as the ladder for when you're swimming at the sandbars. And then as we come in here, just like the 19 SPXs, you'll have a very spacious cockpit. Plenty of room to move around. Nice L-shaped seating here for 3 people comfortably, even 4. Dual captain chairs on this one. And then our beautiful dash layout here with a 5-inch GPS, your Bluetooth radio, everything you need to get out on the water safely. This can be changed to a 9-inch GPS as well if you would like. And then again, our beautiful laid out bow area here for 2 people to lounge very comfortably. If you'd like to know more about this one, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Justin. My phone number is 813-424-6084. See you on the water.